parents, where did you grow up?
I grew up in Baguio. Since I was a kid, I was there with my parents, with my family. I got my elementary there and high school.
So, what are the practices and traditions that you have there?
There in Baguio, I enjoyed a lot when I was there because my teenager, I was there since I was a teenager. We had friends, and my life there is easygoing, and free. No responsibility, go to school, and on weekends we go to parties with friends. That's all.
When you were new in the city, did you have any difficulty in interacting with
Yes,
others?
because from Baguio, we transferred here to Manila for my college. And of course, I had a hard time adjusting. It's so different. I find here in Mandi City, in Manila, I find it different from Baguio because here, people here seems to be busy and more serious-minded,
More mature.
more matured. And since I started my college here, I had to mingle with new friends. But since I'm a friendly person, I easily get to have new friends.
What are the ways on how you adapt to your new environment?
What are the ways? I mingle with them. I socialize with them. And yes, I had good friends because I find my best friends here, although they are already more mature than I get to, I could adjust myself.
So, what happened after your college?
After college, I started working. I found a good job, and there I met my husband. We got married, but since he's from the province, Bulacan, we stayed in Bulacan. I mean, he's from Bulacan, so I go to Bulacan. From San, Bulacan, Santa Maria. We commute every day from Bulacan to here
For work?
for work. Yes. I had a hard time adjusting from the city to the province. It's so different to stay in the province. They had no maid, so I had to do the house chores. I do the cooking, the laundry, and the what's that? My in-laws, the old my in-laws. I had every time we come home, we bless them because that is the practice in the province. We bless, and then we pray at night.